In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude and its seamless integration with Asana to streamline your project management and save hours of manual tracking every single week. Staying on top of a busy project board can be overwhelming, especially when you are trying to catch up on days of missed updates or preparing for a big team meeting. Start by opening Claude and ensuring you have the Asana integration enabled in your settings. Once that is ready, you will provide a specific prompt to get the best results. You should tell Claude to use the Asana integration to pull all comment history and completed tasks from your specific project board over your desired timeframe, such as the last 7 days. To make the output actionable, ask Claude to generate a clear summary of progress while specifically calling out any blocked tasks that need urgent attention. Finally, instruct it to list the top 3 priorities for the upcoming week based on the current status of the board. Claude will scan your project data and organize everything into a readable format that highlights exactly what was achieved and what needs to happen next. This process eliminates the need to manually click through dozens of individual tasks just to see what your team has been working on. It provides a high-level view that ensures nothing falls through the cracks and keeps everyone aligned on the most important goals. By automating your status reports this way, you can spend less time organizing and more time actually getting work done.